what? Does she have a beard?
It looks like a baby in a womb. Does it not? Look at her legs.
It's okay that I say no, right?
Yeah, it's okay. Just be honest.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
These are all America's Next Top Model photos, aren't they?
Just tell me yes or no if you would be able to use these in a model book, in your opinion.
Okay.
First photo, B photo shoot.
If it would be in the portfolio?
Yeah.
Oh, God. No?
Ah, I love that photo.
Very pretty bees.
Oh, I see the bees now.
Oh yeah, they're bees, yeah.
I didn't see that first. Yeah, I think so, yeah.
They're real bees.
No.
Would you do something like this?
No.
Those are bees.
Oh, okay. I mean, possibly.
Possibly?
They're real bees.
Really? I was gonna say, are they photoshopped? Wait, what the hell? They're real bees? Poor models. Oh, I mean, the girl is beautiful. What's going on her neck?
I think it's just jewelry,
Ah, it's a jewelry.
but they are bees.
I mean, it's fine.
So yes,
Yeah, why not?
Yes.
something like this.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Wrestling photo shoot.
No. This is all kind of theme photo shoot's not gonna work.
I don't think my agencies would use that.
Probably not. Unless it was like a tacky agency. You know, I wouldn't have pictured myself in a position like this. However, I kind of wish I could have done that shoot. It kind of looks very fun. So yeah, it goes for me.
Would the agency like it in your book?
I don't know about that. I don't know how they would market that.
Photo in a grave or a coffin.
These are all America's Next Top Model photos, aren't they? I don't think my agents would use that either.
No.
No, I don't think so. It's just
Your
like
agency wouldn't like that.
no, it's like a lot going on.
Would your agency like this?
No. Yeah. It's okay that I say no, right?
Yeah, it's okay. Just be honest.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so no. Okay.
No.
Photo shoot in a
Probably
coffin.
not. Probably not.
I didn't even finish saying it. She's like, no.
I don't know.
Mermaid photo shoot.
Maybe, yes.
Do you know where these are from?
I have an idea.
What's your guess? Just
Something
think.
that rhymes with America's Top Model.
The model isn't like the focus, and for things that go in your book, you definitely want you to be the focus because that's like what's selling you.
Probably not.
Why?
It's just not. I guess it just depends on what's happening in the background. This would be better than this, just because like this crab is distracting, and this is just
The crap is. I love that.
like the lobster. I see there's a lobster there. The lobster fits
didn't
in
even
better.
notice that.
I feel like they could have used better seaweed. No.
No to the mermaid. No. Falling princess.
I mean, no, but I'm trying to be nice.
I love it.
See, this is funny because I've joked about wanting to be a stock photo before. Like that was my like favorite modeling job. So I should say no, but like that's kind of cool. This is America's Next Top Model, isn't it?
No, this one's too thematic. There's too much of a theme to it.
I like it. It's cute. I mean, I'm not sure if they would use that in your book though, just because there's like a tacky background. I'm telling you, like fairy tale stuff, probably agency not gonna use it. This,
A scarf.
yeah, scarf, yes.
Yes.
The scarf.
That one's like good, like you can see like her collarbones, her face.
That's pretty. I don't see why not. That's like a beauty shot, right?
This one.
Yes.
The scarf photo shoot. Love that.
Yes.
No. It's just weird, tacky, looks cheap. Budget photography.
A hair dress. This is real hair.
It's okay. Nothing surprised me.
Sure, yes.
Is it because it's studio?
Because it doesn't look like hair. It just looks like a dress to me. It looks like
It's
an
made out of real
editorial.
hair.
I mean, no, personally, thank you, but
The hair photo shoot. This is a real hair dress.
They might use that, honestly.
No.
Yeah, they would
The
use
powder?
that. Mm-hmm.
no.
They would probably use that. I mean, that's fun. Yeah, that one's fun.
Paint.
I think they would
Paint
use the
splatter?
paint, yeah.
Paint. What about paint?
No.
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 Okay.
I can't imagine myself in that photo, but yeah.
Could you
maybe.
use it in your book?
Probably not. I don't think it markets anything.
Maybe, honestly.
Salad bowl.
It's like a little editorial-esque. I don't know. It's like kind of that like current, like weird,
Okay.
you know, thing that maybe someone would use. Not that one though.
Giant salad bowl. No.
No.
You wouldn't pour olive oil over yourself?
No.
It just depends on what the
What if I
the
showed up-
model's doing in the no. Am I?
Would you?
It looks like a baby in a womb. Does it not? Look at her legs.
No. Is that a salad? Is that a... No.
It's a salad. Do you like salad? Do you like
I
Greek
love
salad?
salad. I do love salad.
I don't think so.
Greek salad?
I don't think so. But it's interesting. Oh my god, it's like a real plate.
So your agency wouldn't like this?
I don't think so. For me, I don't think they would use it. They'd probably be like, when did you do that?
Where did you
It's a
find
giant Greek salad.
Where did you find these?
I don't even know where to begin. So this would not go in your portfolio if you did something like this.
No, but I think it'd be funny to have as a photo.
Oh, the salad. That damn salad. I remember that episode. The Greek salad. Definitely.
No?
Hard pass, yeah.
You wouldn't pour olive oil on yourself?
No. No.
No.
A salad?
No!
Would you pour olive oil on yourself for pictures?
You know what I had?
You've done that before?
I had the honey poured all over
Oh,
my head.
wait,
and
you're gonna
face.
like the next pictures. Hold on,
Yeah.
hold on. Maple syrup?
Maple syrup was awesome.
Maple syrup?
Jessica. No.
So this wouldn't go in your portfolio.
How deep did you have to find these? No.
Maple syrup.
No. Oh my god. No.
Maple syrup?
Probably not.
No.
Do you like pancakes by chance or waffles?
I do.
Okay, it's good enough
But
for
not
me.
that much.
No. Is this a Canadian photo shoot?
It's maple syrup though.
It's dripping off.
You're Canadian, you kind of gotta.
So am I supposed to support this? Yes, eh?
No.
Rock climbing?
Oh, this is too crazy.
Definitely no. No. Maybe in like 2001.
The rock climbing?
Do you have another version of that? No.
What happened there?
Circus Freaks photo shoot.
I don't think they'd use the Circus Freaks photos.
What? Does she have a beard?
What is that?
They called it the Circus Freaks photo. They gave her a beard.
No. Oh
They
my
made her
god.
made her like the bearded man.
No. No.
I have to say no.
They put a beard on her.
I've always wanted to have a beard. Not me, but like try fake one on, you know, like.
They put her in facial hair.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, like, because some of these look like they're used for like Party City, you know, like it's like a costume.
Love her so much. She has a beard, yeah. This is called the Circus Freaks photo shoot.
Absolutely not.
Do you know what this is from?
No.
These photos are from America's Next Top Model. America's Next Top Model.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So out of all of these, can you see any of them being in your book?
No, these were a lot. Like, you started out strong, and I did not expect to go down this route.
We heard it from the models themselves, what they think. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Last question.
Yeah.
Is that your real hair?
Of course.